Is that you?
Yes.
Yes, good evening.
Yeah, good evening,
Yeah.
Fidelis. You're welcome on board.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, I had some issues with network.
It's fine.
I just rectified.
Yeah, it's fine. As a matter of fact, you've already made us to form a quorum that we can kickstart the meeting because,
okay.
Yeah, so we wouldn't want to waste time much because I believe in maximizing time. All right, that being said, let's kickstart and look briefly at the slides, and then we can take the Q&A. All right, now this is Royal Q. Okay, Royal Q typically is just an app. Okay, let me put in these disclaimers before we continue further. I always tell people, whoever that wants to join Royal Q is not for everyone, but if you're willing to gain knowledge, if you're willing to learn, if you're willing to engage in the process, then Royal Q is for you. The reason being that it's not a Ponzi scheme, okay? It is not a get-rich-quick matrix or anything of that sort. All right, so that makes it unique. As a matter of fact, we have already more than 1.4 million users globally. It's counting on daily basis. Now, you are using Royal Q as a cryptocurrency trading intelligent robot to manage your money in your own digital wallet. All right. And the beauty of Royal Q is that Royal Q is going to help you learn skills. And to be honest with you, in this age in which you and I are, good enough, some of you are youth corpers. To be honest, the only thing that will distinguish you out after service is the skill you know. And the truth is, our education curriculum, mostly in Africa, is already expired way back. What we need moving forward is skill-based educational acquisition that will help you, that as soon as, even before you finish your school or you become a graduate, you have a skill that can start making money for you. Now, this is one of the beauty of Royal Q, okay? That being said, let us go down a little bit and see other parts of this wonderful robot. Like I said, it's a semi-automatic trading robot. Why is it semi? Semi means you have an engagement as a human being to give to the robot, for the robot to work for you and give you the desired result. All right. Now, basically, in the layman's language, it helps you to trade cryptocurrencies. That's it. It buys low, it sells high. It buys low, it sells high. That's typically what the robot does for you. Meaning it helps you to engage in the market, even though you have zero knowledge. That is why you are employing the robot to work for you. Now, there are 3 major exchanges in the world that is acceptable and being used to trade with Royal Q. Number 1 is Binance. We all know Binance, as a matter of fact. All right, it's the number 1 crypto exchanger in the world. And then we have also we have the Coinbase and the Hobby. Now there is the method by which your wallet is linked with the Binance. And what is that? It's called the API. API is the automated performance user interface. Okay, so API helps you to link your digital wallet, which you strictly under your control, with the robots. And now the instruction the robot has is to do what? It's just to read the market and to trade for you. And it is called the spot trading, okay? Whereby it engages by buying low and selling high. All right. And now then there is this strategy the robot uses. It's called dollar cost averaging method. With this method, it handles your money in a very perfect way. How? As the coins are dropping in the value in the market, the robot keeps buying for you. And when there is a reversal, it sells. Now, if you understand the crypto market, it's a volatile market. Volatility means it goes down, it goes up. It goes down, it goes up. Now, when it's going down, the robot is buying. And as soon as it goes up, with the based on the configuration of the margin call, it sells and drops your profit in your wallet. Yeah. Okay. So I'm being a little bit faster then so that we can get our questions as much as we can for today. Now, this slide is a little bit older. That was made at the beginning, but now, if you want to buy the robot, to subscribe for 1 year, rather, it's $120 US for a year subscription. Okay, it uses quantitative trading method, and then you are expected to get between 0 to 5% profit. Okay, it could be on daily basis, it could be not on daily basis. It's based on market condition. No one controls the market. The robot does not control the market either. All right, and also you have to put in your gas fee based on your capital that you want to start trading with, and that's it. And then there is few ways you can make money from RoyalQ. One is your trading income, which you can either engage as a solo trader or a passive trader. Now, number two is an affiliate income, whereby if you are building a team, which you are expected to build, which is a way of building your business, anyone that joins you to trade, to use the robot, okay, RoyalQ pays you for that, 30 USDT as a start, which you can immediately withdraw back into your wallet and use it to continue trading. Okay. Then also you have to put a gas fee. Gas fee means because the robot does not have access to your digital wallet, it takes its own commission. When it gives you profit, it takes its own commission from the gas fee. That's what just the gas fee is in a layman's term. Okay, these other ones in the slide, I will show you on the later times. These are just, you know, the profits, the income people are making by engaging, by using the robots. So I'm stopping here in a nutshell so that I can now take your questions. But before then, I have to highlight these points, then I will start taking questions real quickly. And number one thing is that one of the gains you are getting from using RoyalQ is that you are putting your money into a strategy that helps you to grow your money. Let's take, for instance, you have, let's say, $500. That $500 you put in your digital wallet to buy assets is there. It's like a money you put in there to grow it. As the robot engages in the buying and selling, you are growing your money. At the same time, you are getting used to knowing the cryptocurrencies which you can buy and keep. At the same time, you are holding, at the same time, it is appreciating on the long run. Yeah. And then two, you know, you are given opportunity to learn. All right. There is no shortcut to making wealth. You have to learn, you have to engage and understand it. To be honest, it's very, very interesting. For me, I'm not only trading with RoyalQ, but also I'm learning about the blockchain tech in its entirety. That's the beauty of what I've got, the benefit for, you know, engaging with RoyalQ. Now, RoyalQ is not a Ponzi scheme. Like I said, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's something that you have to learn and earn as you move forward. All right. Then you have to be able to learn, you know, how to engage in the profitable trade. All right. Then your mind, okay, is also, you know, programmed. If you are programming your mind for consistency and the patience, for sure, you will succeed in RoyalQ. Thank you, gentlemen, for listening. And I want to take a few questions. If there is, then we'll continue from there. Thank you so much for coming on board. If you have a question, you can just unmute and ask your questions. Yeah.
All right, so I think I'll go first to the questions.
Yeah.
Okay. If you could please pop up your slides again. There was a part I saw something about the annual fee, annual activation fee for the robots.
Yeah, that's.
I think it said 100.
No, that's I said. This is the old slide.
Yeah.
That's the old slide that we had before.
Okay.
It's the people that joined before us, they were paying 100, but then later, I think sometime late last year, it was increased to 120. I think my slide, I have to change it for the newer slide, sir. Sorry for that.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. No worries. Okay, which means RoyalQ is almost like a real estate business because it's going to keep appreciating.
Exactly.
And increasing.
Exactly.
So it's better to start now.
Yes, the users are increasing on a daily basis. Let me tell you the simple truth. You know, just like Bitcoin, the overall Bitcoin that will be circulating in the whole wide world is 21 million. All right, you can imagine what is happening now. Okay, as more people, as the big names are engaged in buying Bitcoin, and Ethereum, okay? Now you can imagine the circulation quantity is getting limited on a daily basis. I want to show you the picture of the future of where we are. So by the time, you can imagine by the time the circulation number finishes, what the value of Bitcoin in the market, you can't imagine it. It's unimaginable. All right, so it will become a total scarce commodity in the market. And then by that time, people will see Bitcoin and 100K for one Bitcoin. So people who buy, so if you can get as much Bitcoin as you can get now, it mustn't be more that you can buy one Bitcoin, no, you can buy a fraction. That's the beauty of it. And the Royal Q gives you the opportunity to do that. Yeah. Thank you, Douglas. Any other question, please? I expect question from Kinsley and Fidelis as well. Any question, it could be outside from what I've thought, maybe from what you've seen on the platform we shared in the group. You can ask me a question, please.
No question, sir. I understand everything, sir.
Okay. What about Fidelis?
Okay. Yes. Well, I'm quite impressed on the background knowledge of Royal Field. I think, as Douglas said, it's something that definitely appreciate. I like his strategy, so I already understand this because I'm also into crypto.
Okay, yes, that's good.
So I buy the idea. So I really need to know more, the in-depth of how it works. Although you have explained it,
okay,
I know now.
Okay, sir.
I think he's talking about the strategy.
Yes,
that's where I just want to say something, like a question. So, people always think that you must have money in hand, or let me say a certain amount of money, at least $100 and something to start. But please, I want you to clarify that with them, and let them know that you can register for free at first. It's the activation that requires capital, that requires money. You want 20 USDT, and then after that, you need capital for your robot to trade with. But registration is absolutely free.
Okay, let me share something very interesting, because as long as you understand the concept and understand, number one thing, understand that it is not a Ponzi and it's not an ROI. It's not like an investment. No, it's a pure business. All right. Business means understanding how you to trade in the crypto market. This is not, you are the person engaging using the robot. Okay. Now, the beauty of it is this. Unfortunately, Nigerians are so programmed for Ponzi and ROI that they don't it's difficult for them to engage in a process that teaches you a skill. Now, what happens is, like you said, Douglas, when you come and register with the link, all right, that's number one step, free registration. And then you download the app. And then the next thing will be to activate your yearly subscription. Now, the good thing is, once you activate, even if you don't have the money to start trading, all right, I will tell you the beauty of React. You can start building your team immediately while you are learning and understand, because let me tell you the honest truth. It's not a must that you will start trading immediately as you activate. But the beauty is this: you are given a unique referral link which belongs to you, which you can use to start building. Building means bringing in other crypto lovers that wants to use Royal Q and trade. And as you are building, you are making money. Even as as everybody's trading as a team, you are making money as a team leader. Every one of us must have a team at the end of the day. I have a team. Douglas, we have a team. Fidelis, we have a team. Kinsley, we have a team. All of us are working. It's a win-win situation. Everyone is making money, have the same opportunity by trading, by affiliate, and that's it. Everyone is happy. That is nothing like, oh, that you must bring in somebody to make money. No, it's not a must. If you have the money to start trading immediately, of course, I can teach you that immediately. Okay, you start trading and making money. You don't need to bring in somebody. But if you see the beauty of the affiliate, and then you want to let other of your brothers and sisters or friends come and use this, of course, I am a lover. Like I told Douglas earlier when I met him, I told him, crypto is a project for me. Royal Q is a project. I want to empower lives with Royal Q, teaching people to trade on their own. That it keeps you a hedge from giving your money to ROI. from falling victim to scams and
Yes.
Ponzi. This is
and when you teach people, you're also learning better and faster.
You're learning better. And there is no point. I've told Douglas, because of Royal Q and because of my experience, if you show me a project, I will tell you, guy, this is a scam. Immediately, I don't need to tell you, just go. No, I will tell you, boy, this is a scam. Why? Because I've seen it all. I've seen the way it works. There is one in the market now. I told Douglas, for Metaforce Forsage. They launched it last month. If the people will get scammed, Nigerians are not tired of getting scammed. All right. Every time 86FB was there, it got them scammed. COPTS was there. It is endless, and then they're still falling.
Rackstelli. Even and also the fact that celebrities are advertising these platforms don't make them legitimate. You know, because Rackstelli was being advertised by Davido.
Yeah,
I think it was also being advertised by what's this senator's name? This Kogi man. You know, and all this.
Is it Dino?
Dino Melaye.
Another crazy guy we have in that country.
Dino Melaye, yeah, he was, he was always campaigning for it. That join Rackstelli, even Davido, and people kept coming to me then. Oh, let's join Rackstelli. I said, nah, I don't do all this, double your money kind of investments.
The immunity you have over every form of scam is getting a skill in this age. When you get a skill like Royal Q to trade, I'm telling you, I was so passionate looking for a platform like this until I met it. To be honest, I wanted to be a solo trader and as well a passive trader and as well, teaching others because I love impacting knowledge to people. It's my passion. So I've been looking for it and then God helped me to get it. So please, if you love someone and you want somebody to be on his own and build a structure, guys, let's go out there and tell people about Royal Q. That's why I made it open. Please come to me any day, anytime with your questions.
I've heard you, Mr. Francis. You have said, to me, you look more a mentor. You are like a leader that wants to carry people along. And it's quite impressive because that is what we want in this our generation. As far as the Royal Q is concerned, I'm saying is the margin of efficiency and profit making is at a good rate.
Yeah.
And it's something that we will have to tender into because I really want to know how this works and invest because it's an investment that we appreciate in a period of time. If I'm not wrong.
What is it is a trading business. Okay, yes, you can call it investment, means you are putting in your money to grow your money. Now, what I can say is
yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Yes. It's a very good one for that. So if you are free tomorrow or anyone that is free tomorrow, you can reach out to me. I can teach you the trading strategies. If you want me to do it as a group, we can do it also as a group if it's possible. If you can agree.
Okay.
Yes, I think that's all right. I can agree for a certain time. The trading strategies.
Yeah.
Also, I just have a question regarding that, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry to cut you off.
No worries.
Please, for the trading, if you're going to teach us strategies, I want this class or meetings that we're having to be more practical than theoretical, like I said earlier, like I mentioned to you earlier. Okay. So, it doesn't make sense if you teach us trading strategies when some of us don't even have accounts.
Okay,
you understand what I'm saying?
It's true, yeah.
so first of all, we have to get cup before we can fetch water to drink,
yes,
right?
You're right.
So people have to get. I'm talking to Kingsley and Fidelity.
Yeah, it's true.
So they have to get their accounts set up first. So at least they can even get familiar with the whole interface of Royal Q.
Yes.
Because they're just hearing Royal Q. They don't know what it looks like in the app,
Yeah.
So and when you're going to teach trade strategies, you're going to look into the app.
Yes.
Today you just worked on presentation slides. You didn't even go through the app. So, but that one you definitely have to touch the app.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
I feel they need to get their accounts.
I feel you now.
And all that.
Yeah. So Fidelity and Kingsley, you've seen the point, yeah? So that would be the best way. What do you think?
Well, that is a good idea because that is necessary now. There's no how
Yeah.
you want to just jump up. Those are the basics we need to do, right?
Yeah.
So his head and not head.
All right.
That's what I have to say.
All right.
Yes.
Yes, it will be a lot. We're going to learn at a very fast pace.
Yes.
If we listen to you and apply.
Yes.
You know,
that's the best way to learn.
Learning.
That's the best way.
I believe in learning and implementing, not just
Immediately.
learning. We learn, we implement. We
Action
learn and
takers.
implement, and that way
Takers.
we're moving fast. And then from there we are making the money. That's it.
Yeah.
You know?
Absolutely.
That's it.
Yeah.
Also, sir, just one quick question. If this is for me, I don't think they understand what I'm about to say, but
okay.
For those of us that don't have up to 50 USDT or 100 USDT currently, you know, as our trading capital, is it still possible with these trading strategies to make some profit, or what do you think? Because you know, I have 3 coins.
Yeah.
Would it be smarter to sell off the other 2 coins and just give my 3rd coin a boost and trade on that alone?
No, you see, Douglas, that is already an asset in your wallet. All right. You cannot, even if you disengage Royal Q from your wallet, you wouldn't want to sell off your asset at a loss. Okay. That's why I told you what we can do is that's why those 2 trades are paused and your Dodge alone is active. Yeah. So keep it the way it is. Okay. Don't bother. That's the beauty of crypto, not even real. The beauty of crypto is patience as a virtue. If you want to make money, you have to, patience must be there. So just be positive that by team building, capital will come and you add in more little money. Okay. So that way, when I teach you one-shot strategy and the cycle, then you can choose to become an active trader that engages on daily basis with one shot to grow your money. Now, the cycle trading is for those who are busy, who cannot engage actively. Okay, so that's the beauty of ReactQ. Then you can set the robot on cycle and then go your business. All you want to know is on daily basis, or when you have time, come and look and see how the robot is doing. That's it. So if you don't have money now yet, don't be in a hurry, don't get worried. Like I said, as we are working together and growing, money will come, okay, in no distant time. Then you can add in money for the Dodge to continue giving you the needed profit, okay?
All right, thank you very much. I think that answers my question.
Yeah, you're welcome always. Always, you're welcome. If there is any other question, we can take it. Other than that, but like I said, please, anybody, even if you have a prospect that you want to share this thing and you feel you don't have enough information, you can tell the person to reach out to me. Please, every day I'm waiting for people to come with their questions. I don't know. Even Fred,
and for newbies, if you can't reach me, if you can't reach our leader, Mr. Francis, you can also reach out to me.
Yeah, you can go to Douglas.
At least I have a very good knowledge of the introductory part of ReactQ for now.
Go to Douglas. Yeah. Go to him. I love people coming with questions, and that's the beauty part of this, so that you can understand the thing that you want to engage in. If you need more videos, Douglas, I expect you to share those videos I've sent to you. Give it out to them, more of the to them who needs it, so that by watching those videos, you know, I want people who are proactive, okay? And one of the ways,
I'm going to share, especially the I think 2 minute or 3 minutes one that shows it gives details about ReactQ.
Give out those videos, please. Give out those videos.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right. We are going to call it a day, and then we'll continue sharing further information in the WhatsApp platform. Please bring your friends into the group, even if they're not ready with their money. Let them start learning. All right. Bring in prospects, people you feel that you want to, for them to see this opportunity. Bring them in. Let them learn, even if they're not going to activate today and tomorrow. But let them learn and understand the concept, and then take a decision. All right. God bless you all. Any other thing? I doubt if there is.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Kinsley.
Really a pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Take care, guys. See you soon again. Bye.
All right, sir.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Fidelis.
Bye.
Bye, yeah.
Bye.